School hippie.
Sanibonani sandumelanga, this is your boy Kev, ntwana semkonti khona le Kenza sijuka masijwayela sibayiskelem thina mfethu. Abomkenza Fandi 100%.
Ngangazosijwayela
DNA RNA yasazi
Weside.
khuluma la phansi njalo. Fede phethe izinto zama police no general ngayiso. Siphethe ngohlelo lento lena. Ngicela ukuthi basi introduce ngicela ngabe uphi right wing left wing athi sithi right. Fede James Company. Stuponi.
Yeah, sure. Sibo mavocha, sibo magazine. Chuku. Sijwayela sa.
That way
Sijwayela sa.
#ifitipi. Sabomkenza akashaya thethiso. Bese ngibuya ngayinga ku left. Angathi ya overlap akuloko. Babone hobo general tikhombisi not tiko but babone hobo general.
Yeah, overlap akusingumrimi.
Danko ke.
Makusijuka amasijwayela amasimba. Bafethu siyagotsi shibobo make. Danko
kanjalo. Nedbank Cup.
Phezukwayo. Straight to the point.
Mamelodi Sundowns.
Phezukwayo.
Kaizer Chiefs. Yonke lento le.
Netbank
Izimali bafethu kaching bayakhala ama executives lamagama amakhulu. Manje sithina leyo ndawo akunamali.
team plus
No
representer.
Represent abantu.
Tokene skip nestrokhele sigreen
Senate
senet.
Bank. Yeah, no, shout out to you.
And number 2 ngibhakabhaka vandaga ngazi
Ovi.
kanjani. 3 stripes step by step.
DNA yaphuma kancane
Ayiphumi RNA.
Bona nange athi black and white.
Ngani
So
na?
yaphuma.
No, ithi ngilungise lento le. Black is beautiful, white is common.
Mamela, that's why.
Uthini lupho?
Black is beautiful, white is common. Black and white.
Beautiful.
No, black and yellow. No white. Black and yellow, no white. So bafethu
Nasemele ngihlale emaphakathini and ngirepresent green.
I listen to
Olu
Jesus.
slide.
Fana nokuthi ufake ijam ne-peanut butter
Yabo.
ne-fresh ne-cheese.
Son.
Uyathola?
The taka de what?
Izinkwa lezi. Phakathi.
Nazo.
Manje bafethu ithini ngalamatapoti amakhulu la. Akhishwa ama-underdogs.
Netbank yakhala.
Okay, mina ngikhishwa nge-underdog. Agenda. Angikhishwa nge-underdog.
Oh.
Yeah. Sengiyisusile.
Injani?
2 against 1, 2 in 1. Pirates.
Ziyakhala.
Not pirates.
Bana. Ziyakhala today. Si-fraud.
No, angisho ukuthi ngiyi-fraud.
Uthini?
Ngithi pirates.
Yeza.
Barikhona i-fraud la ku-Pirates.
Yeah. Ilo baba lo bathi bani? Angikhona ukulipronounce lelo gama. But it's some kind Muslim or something ngazi.
Abdeslam Wad.
Badu.
Badu.
Bani? Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, no, Netbank chief. Yakhala labakhona no. Bahleli ema-ofisini bagcoka amatayi green nana. Abayakhala ju. Imali ayikho. Sundowns out, Pirates out, Kaizer Chiefs out.
Bebakhona?
No offense. Bebava.
Ngiyabuza bebakhona.
Yeah, bebakhona. Baphuma.
Bathi besingekho bafethu.
Ngiyabuza. Question.
Oh, shit.
Ngizophendula.
Bebakhona. Besikhona izinto
Siwe team yasethembisa, Kenza, in yabo lapho grassroots level mina ngidliwa abantu abazinto isitori sakho.
ezasemkonti.
Not emkonti per se but yeah.
Oh. Yeah, no, it was a bomb yesterday.
Awelanisi.
Awelanisi.
Ayizolo bekuyibomba fethu. Yabona makuphuma i-Sundowns. Ayibe ngehappy. Ngisho ukuthi no. Pirates is winning this thing. Na kanjani? Yabo? Ngisho ukuthi no. Asiyabangela. Engaboni line-up ye-Pirates. Ngathi we.
Before siyafela ngihlonipha isiko.
Siko?
Yeah, amasiko ohlonipha.
Culture.
Yeah. Kunalento le ethini.
Indoda yesiko.
Kunalento ethini ingabohle inqaba lenye indoda.
Oh, inqaba lenye indoda lihle.
And wena uhlike kusase
Eish. Brother, ngikhumbula.
Marifela sikho la.
Ngalihleka inqaba lendoda yabo. Into eyenziwe i-Sundowns. Into eyenziwe i-Pirates.
Ngathi baba sepodumbo ithu bakhuluma lapho coach.
Hayi.
Ngoba emoshile.
Bayimoshile ju. Angazi ukuthi inhleki labantu laba mfethu. Inhleki mina ngicava intanga ukuthi why and angibelieve into ukuthi i-Sundowns befuna ukusacrifice le cup league. So that bazodlala league neCAF. Hey, awuthi what if uzodliwa? Ungawini u2.
Football.
So winanga anything. At least kumele uwine something. Mawubona ukuthi okay, Nedbank la singa ngithola singawina sidlula. yenze kulahlela amasoja akho yena thatha amasoja uyawakhipha bathi bona ngithi basayina equality bona bane-equality so bekasijile ukuthi hayi thina vele simnandi in all departments every player wafaka layout lezi ngizothini fringe players
ama-fringe players
faka ama-fringe players uKadoso
abonthabeleni
zonke lezi here's my thing ne nga-rating le that is why mina ngikhala ngokuthi coaching is not happening because of i-system no let's say bekafaka i-quality players i-system abayidlalayo no asisayiboni identity ye-Sundowns ukuthi bebabamba idisk bayenzeni bakora mini goals Shushine and Piano noma ngabe the way now Wednesday they didn't play their best game bathole nje two chances they scored Pirates imissile Buthuma bayamisa bayenzile uyangithola but bona bakurile bawina but identity yebhola labo
ayisekho
mfethu they are losing it out here we are watching two coaches dismantling one big team and another team they are dismantling izinto bebazenza uyangithola ezigrand izinto besizifuna not for i-Sundowns ne-Pirates but for i-national team but for our country uyangithola leyo lezo ziyamosheka and it's like management they believe ukuthi angazi maybe they believe this guy will come around or this guy will turn things around or in but we don't see that njengayizolo owafakile lama-player lawaya still i-system ye-team mina ngiyibona eyi-Sundowns bengayiboni badlala kanjani into eyenzile i-TS Galaxy awuthiyama right mina engiyiboni izolo yile bengicabanga ukuthi i-Pirates izoyenza and if lo coach we-TS Galaxy bekayibona bengizibuza ucoach wethu akayiboni dating le awuthiyama uvala u-Sundowns ofuna ukubalimaza early futhi i-out e-receiver ibhola ku-Sundowns ziba yi-2 uyangithola angibadlala bayi-3 phakathi mara ezi-receiver amabhola ziba yi-2 babeka an obvious person okumele a-receive ibhola let's say sidlala siyi-3 mina nawe yithi si-receive amabhola but ama-opponents ajwayele kuba yimi engi-receive ibhola ngiyabloma ngingiki yolilanda ibhola uyangithola kuzoya wena lo abamaki i-Pirates bebangamaki beba-expect uTevza ukuthi yena uzolanda amabhola ngithi Wednesday uTevza bekanokuma so athi adrifta esayidini kuvela u-Adams yolanda idisk uNemthatshela akahambi nomuntu ngimbone bambiza a couple of times bamtshela ukuthi hey khuphuka nalo muntu lo khuphuka it's like uNemthatshela it's like uklika ngathi yonke into ngibone nayizolo uhlala uklika late ukuthi yo lo muntu usukile yolanda ibhola lo muntu uya late uya after akekho like ngathi mana akavukanga so TS Galaxy zone uthiyama bewazi ukuthi zithu ezicollector amabhola simaka zona sifaka ipressure ngathi wayigoli lokucala ulibonile balithole kanjani lezi ezilanda amabhola siyazi high press wonke umuntu khona la mele balilahle phela mabalilahla bakwazi ukudlala lo bhola Sundowns uyangithola so mele ukuthi noma balwina le mele libuyele emuva balicala igrand bayenze lento yabo but yenze kanjalo uthola amagoli baba mnandi ayicreate ngama-chance abhayizolo Sundowns but into engiyibonayo nje the past few games aba-create a lot of chances.
Okay, before ngizobuza le question there nento ngifuna ukuyisho le nto ngicela ukuyisho ukuthi ama-underdogs nani angini-undermine bafethu ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyamisa ukuyintonyana nje ukukhulu yeah then again into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi like I don't understand why is it like the PSL teams or should I say domestic teams why is it every time akudlala i-Nedbank they want to try out new players. Nedbank like it has its own work, right?
The FA Cup,
exactly. So if you don't consider Nedbank Cup as a silverware ukuthi ungaba nayo ku-cabinet, so that simply means
they undermine.
Like it doesn't make any sense because in fact you cannot kwamanje lento lesikhuluma ngakuthi uKadoso no Badu shele baserumini eyi-1 bashaya meeting conference awukwethu because lento bayenzile eba-Costi game it's similar babeka ibhamu phansi bafaka ama-cartridge
hey
You understand lento
Cartridge lethu.
angikhulumi kabi
Cartridge lethu manje.
No, Yahoo.
actually replying you
Yahoo,
understand so
Yahoo.
I feel like in fact we need to take each and every cup serious no matter
It's
how
it.
much cup Kaizer Chiefs big up
Ya ringava.
Ithi lapho.
Ya ringava.
Yeah, you need to take it
Eplangeni.
serious because
True,
la
true,
ba
true.
re ugcine after 10 years of cup nane ke tso ke ma proof ke cup le ke cup so that being said but you need to take
Each and every
Tawana
tournament.
serious. Actually each and every game serious
Serious,
Don't
Joe. Each and
undermine.
every game doesn't matter ukuthi udlala nani kuphi, kwenzakala nini.
Kanbani, yeah.
I'll
Yeah,
tell
we players
mawazi
the
ukuthi
respected teams edi.
yeah.
Diska ka ga iNetbank la le ntwana nyala ke zakala.
Mm.
Ntwana tse nyane ya.
Sifuna uprove i-point out here.
Ntwana ya imarket.
Ayikuthi bazimaketha ngoba badlala nePirates bazimaketha kuPirates.
Bayimaketha
Bayazi
kodwa
ukuthi
kawu
amanye
fair.
ama-team abukele.
Yeah. And some of those players sedlala nda ko APC Mtsipe League yona leyo. Dimolonu from good team tsa ko PSA. So di nidang or like ai ra phamisa. Na ke re mo Netbank ba tla ba re bona go ya ba re sitse loanu. So that ding ya ba motivate machento or dlala le team yana tse so.
And the play
Right, yeah, phamisa.
Yeah, uphakamani.
Siluleko. Mabali neli yena na sokodisa Sundowns. Ya sokodisa Sundowns.
Ngale enye le. Kanobani?
Ungwenya. Khona le ungwenya.
Ungwenya. Zidonga,
Uzidonga. Uzidonga.
Yeah,
Zidonga.
Zidonga.
So like batlile ka plan coach ya TS itlile ka plan ibono go bo
Bekuyiplay.
what's a itseng after game itse ibile happy I bona Ronwen Williams sa seopalo because of upile for like sometimes they are not the same Ronwen Williams sa se badala a certain football style se basidlala ka Onyango so like it's ambona se yola bona Onyango abona good
And uringa VAR
because of one good thing about Ronwen u khona ukuslow down igame akabona ukuthi baba under pressure
distribution
lose momentum malujwalo so like o khona abona okay so sometimes ntseng iqadile ka di-French players Spear first goal mistake ya udlala bolo o le ka mo side ngwe dlala la center ba khopsitse ra o ba le anke go wadlala a qeta wa bula so sile gap e goal so like wa bona like tse dintsa dintho like le na coach Samesa Mao we flopile like in game plan ya ka TS we nyatsitse TS Galaxy yona ibono mo ga ja
and then ntsetse ba TS Galaxy ba tlo fitla go game ele di tlo nyatsa tsende rona go tlisa game kotswana
Wa mthola.
and opula back then kana santsa mdlala disc pitch ne bana lo divider into blocks the block here
Ke di zones.
and once all mo blocking e bolo di pass tao adi akasha wrong pass
wa le ma
Ukabe.
banzima ke di zone tse wa so like I think ispan game plan ya coach ya riding ya TS and then obviously di bone le tsona ntana tsa attacking no matter what re etsang sometimes ke ball playing team ba khona go kopantsha mara ntse tlo ba frustrate ka yona gore every time ba tshwara ball high press because ba le ga sheba back for ya bona a ne idutse so ba supporta mang bunjani captain
yeah
njoba o shothi
mfana sekena
ba make lezi receiver amabola umthabeleng bekadlala as a second strike Shalule was not libezimkhile lezi libezimkhile lezi
yafihla wathi mshaka nga first man on the ball
Lekhaku bekangayenzi lento kumele ayenze from ngala kulela side lela bebatheka nga3 bebadlala 4-3 Sundowns apparently azange isipani lezi zenye plan
And I feel like uKados ufaka nalintwana lezincane under pressure for no reason because of no a cup game.
like it happens everywhere
Sebabatshela ukuthi like badepende kubo ukuthi baye to the next round.
uyangithola
So like manje sesi under pressure manje. Le ntwana lezi mina I believe ukuthi kumele sithole freedom cala. Enjoy ukucala ukudlala ibhola so that mawubacalisa ama game na so basebane
bajwayele
momentum sebane
bajwayele pressure
but I believe good lento lenzakala everywhere
yeah it happens everywhere
and manje lento le mayenzakala kanje our players are not gonna grow you understand ukuthi if you want to see a player being at its very best they need to challenge go against the best right but then again if we fake emqondweni lento leyo ukuthi for you to be the best you need to go against the best So that simply means laba abasakhula, like your amateurs that are coming, you don't consider them as a challenge, you understand? And laba ngaba consider as a challenge are the ones that
into it at more one ka 6
kanto
Pirates and Kasrik.
Yeah, sicela ngegame la Wednesday. Sicela ngegame la Wednesday.
Pirates and Sundowns.
Yeah. Because of no, ngikho happy.
Something is not right.
Something is not right.
Something is not right.
Outsham. Leya coach leya.
Sundowns Pirates.
Yeah. Sundowns and Pirates.
So you're concluding between those two these two teams.
Yeah. Labo coach wethu abekho right for lama team. Mangokhe angifavor Sundowns. So reka nge-Pirates.
Ngopadu.
Mfana upadu ayekho correct for
Robo Copa bekho mnandi.
I think beswina ama-game so besicabanga ukuthi izinto azikhulumayo zenza sense. So no. Lawuthi leyayikhi ayenzi sense.
We've been shocked.
Uthe akafuni we've been shocked mama mpela. Uthe akafuni lazy strike. Ne?
Uzakala.
Akasifuni lazy strike. Uvayisa strike, uvayisa potential for ukuthi ibe top goal scorer
yeteam. Goal poucher.
Yeah. Mara wena. Ubelieve ukuthi uAndre Dijon
the quality.
Uzoyimela lento wena uyifuna.
So that's contradict kahle.
Kabuhlunga uyangithola. Grand. Because obumfakile na Wednesday. Outsham waste ama substitute ayi2. Useless substitute. Mfethu umuntu lo.
Athi ngibuyele emuva.
Mfana kule game la Wednesday ithi ngicale la.
Athi ngibuyele emuva. Yakhumbula sikhuluma ama signings. You remember we spoke about signings, right?
Yeah.
And we were like the schooluma singling them out. Do you think this person will gel with the team? Blah 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 blah.
Yeah. Then
that's when we were like, okay.
Sifuna ukumbona.
That's what we said. Umabasa, he doesn't fit.
Style sack. Yeah.
Okay, Umabasa ufaka Umabasa. But okay, Umabasa, the original ufaka Umabasa light.
Yeah, like bafethu. Lawuthi and ngicalila before game la Wednesday. I don't believe ukuthi uMakhopo ulimele. I don't believe ukuthi uMbathu ulimele. Yes, I don't believe
it. Ulimele silazi uNduli. Sambona
UNduli. These two players, I don't believe ukuthi balimele. In a game in la Wednesday, I'm a player bewafuneka. I'm a player bewazo impact players. You lawo ma players.
So his opinion ubenayo before the game or after? Ukuthi umobe udinga boMakhopa nana.
Uyibone
to understand.
Uyibone ka line up.
Ngibone nge-line up.
Uyibone ka line up.
Ngibone nge-line up. Mangibheki line up I was like, no. It's not the one. And
it's not the one because you're playing their team there. So you needed those players.
Yes. Okay. Udlala against the Sundowns. Angeke ngithi league decider game but
it was actually.
Nah,
I felt like it was.
Well,
but
Pirates winning that game in confidence, and then now
especially game.
Bezo stretch game.
Sundowns now
close the game.
So it was an important game.
Yeah, it was. It was an important game. But then udlala against this team. Udlale nayo. Uwabonile ama player akho la ukuthi the last time udlala nale team
badlala 1-1.
Lama player lawo bewangadlala. Bewangaphefula. And udlalise 90 minutes, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Na izolo udlalise 90 minutes. Wednesday Outsham beki game bele ne pressure. Lo muntu akadlala. Angijona ukuthi uya rotate ufuna ukubona what. But this player will rotate. That means lona lenza into right according to you. Or is it favoritism? So for me, we favoritism. Ngithola. This guy ofavor nemthatshela kakhulu. And nemthatshela akayi Pirates Knicks. No. Yeah, manje. Akayi Knicks. Uyamdlalisa futhi izolo. Akayi Knicks. Mara yena ubelieve ukuthi mina ngiya rotator and maba Umbatha udlale against TTM.
Azange
asadlala.
thola sifind out ukuthi une-injury.
Une-injury engekho amanga.
Igame
I believe
yeSundowns.
ukuthi amanga, there's nothing like that.
Mm.
UMakgopa ugcina ukudlala against that league game Gallants umfakile because mina I believe because uyawathola ama-chance wamisa
U-assistile.
and akusi favorite player yakhe akasamfaki suddenly sekane-injury naye. Now uya ku-game le-Sundowns uthena uyabona ukuthi i-striker sakho leso sifavor sikusipanile awuphethanga i-striker esidlala njengaye-ke uzothi okay mangimkhipha lo ngifake lo at least bazoyenza one thing ufake uDijo.
Spikiri.
Lela game li-fast
Spikiri.
uslow wena ufuna slow players phambili ufake uDijo
Awufuni lazy players.
awufuni lazy players. To me is more like a lazy play uyamfaka izolo Vivi you still get the same results, nothing has changed. We expecting that is when you feel ngazuthi i-favorite season iyedlala le. So mangiyivala le ndaba on my side ukuthi this guy udismantle Pirates enethina asiboni sicabanga ukuthi kunento e-right ayenzayo ayikho into e-right ayenzayo angeke u-akhe nge-18 bathi uzocedelela wena and uthi wena no angizoqhubeka ngi-akhe la because of vele bese akhiwe into akhe green bese wena ufuna ukuyibhilisa icale yakho awuthi ayingakho ama-player bewadlala last season Wednesday acale ne-game
Manurile. Nobani futhi. Siyema.
last season bewadlala Siyema bekangekho
ne-Sundowns. Siyema udlala.
asithi last season angithi uqhubeka
Mawuthi last season
ku-building,
ukhuluma
ukhuluma
ukuthi last season
the whole
just a
of
specific
last
game.
season.
the whole of last season angithi uthola i-team bese angithi mzwile season mayicala uthini uthe ngizobuilda from
Phezu
here
kwalento
phezu kwalento le. So now you are playing these games tough games.
Ufaka ama-signings amasha mostly like ama-signings ama-new players aqeda ukufika la ku-Pirates bewadlala. So of which is lawo ma-player awakajeni awakatholi i-identity culture yebhakaniya yangithola abasoyithuli.
Where are you building?
So
Uyabhiliza ufuna ukakha into
Liman
into eyenzayo
Kho.
at a crucial time.
Kho yalibhala. kiyele kwa
Ngizobuyela futhi emuva. The last time we spoke about the chemistry Pirates and your guys agreed with me with the chemistry and everything is proper there, right?
Yeah.
sure.
So lento ngikhuluma ngayo ukuthi ama-player afike manje awakakabi nalento le. What is it that you're talking about exactly?
Mameli point lami ne. My point is isizini mayicala lawo ma-player lawo bekawafaka green bewakhona ukungena ajwayele system ye-team. Now uku-second leg of the season ne
Okay.
manje now you need all this
The winning formula.
building
Yeah.
thing
The winning
that was
formula
happening
is
with Pirates for the past 3 seasons.
Yeah.
Now you need it. Now wena usayidlala
Dismantle.
Manje sifuna i-Wi-Fi kanje. Okay.
manje wena usayifaki rating le. What are you doing?
Why dismantle?
Dismantle rating ufuna ukubuild into yakho manje
Bullet.
sekulate kakhulu.
And then abafethu bathi ke nalididing, like in the back of my head, I don't know, but it happens everywhere. Corruption is everywhere, right? But I always ask myself, the players, Lawa, SCT, these players, they don't, okay, I don't want to say they don't deserve to play. Magalama player Lawa, look at nan, then to Sebayangel. Don't you think those players they buying a lineup? I'm just saying, hypothetically speaking, by the way.
Okay.
Now a question.
Allegedly. Ne? It is alleged.
Yeah.
Allegedly.
That's why I say hypothetical.
Allegedly. Dala ngingiringe no. Dala. Bekuneyitori ukuthi ama-agent bewazwakala emathimini khulumela iplayer lakhe mele lidlala.
Okay, sure.
That is why sometimes you could see uzibuze nawe ethimini ukuthi le outlayer bafithi idlala kanjani the past 5 games because lo muntu lo mfethu uyasiqeda but uyadlala uyamfaka ucoach. Maybe somehow coach naye akanasi yabo bakwamulile bakwamula.
There's something ukuthi the only thing that we see kahle kahle and ilento le namanje siyikhuluma on camera ile siyibonayo uma sekudlala ukuwina ukuluza nani. We don't know what's happening behind
Exactly.
you understand, and lezo zinto kwamele sizi unpack, because for me I feel like PSL is not going anywhere so long as we're gonna keep on ngalento le yenzakalayo. We're gonna be stuck on one place, and then Bafana is not gonna get any growth.
And mfethu,
because now check a player. Let me just make one typical example. Lentana the police. Our police, in fact, we know what kind of a player he is, right? But Manchester Male, why? It's not him.
it's not.
It's the system or whatever that's happening.
No.
No, like listen to what I'm about to say.
Ile plumber lili.
Yeah, the plumber. Hence I'm saying that.
Robocall.
Because nakhona pay. Use for me. And the buza kahle. Then all of a Sunday, I fit for the game. But you've been coming, bruh.
Abana this rotation ya coach. Then niye yetsala season ayisantsa neqala. Angiko testa the player la. Wa check. Jokoba ana builder from unto ayithothing. Ka iqala la anyana integrity player green utlel ball.
Yeah, nanti ka ushotsa
Mara. Yetsa no.
That's why ke nna ke ka utshela ntho batlang ho bua.
Yetsa
Ke
no.
kolona. Yeah, fair nna ke a builder mo. But ke batla introduce ntshwaka. Lona gore nje wa bona nje o bile ngchazitsa hore ntho what dismantle la rona re bona ka botsa ntho e right.
Yeah.
Right. Ke ntho jo ditseng yona. Already sele ka
Ila.
Sharp. No more what's ala di ntonyana tse di changes nyana tse tsenyana. O tlo pay attention but you like maybe you learn try bona wa understand. But mind you hore ntshantsa etsa so he's trying to introduce his own system. He doesn't like want to carry on with whatever that has been built there.
Sharp.
So now get like a PCC yaka.
It was fine at the later stage, Mara, not
Yeah,
now.
but not now.
This is a crucial stage.
Angukutshela ukuthi
Crucial for you all, but for him it's like I am building.
But then now, it cost the team.
big
And
time.
the lead player. Kawate.
Oh,
Too much.
So, o question the tactics is I approach the game. Who do you apply jwang? First thing, we tlo bona ka lineup ya, wa bona lineup. Wa bona gore game e feti batla certain players. Se le gone dia kgona o
Wetsa
etsa span one turn. Wa bona gore like itlamelo o tsela ka batho ba so. Wena o choose o ga re ke etse so. Ka tsela ya because of no coach o dutse da. Ana taba le batho ba tlile ba attendile ba tlo shebellang game.
I think it's one game.
Exactly. So like coach na grand na tactics I. The question
useless.
The question the questionable.
Useless.
Team selection ya
Useless.
yamtabula nje ka game tse tshwana bo Sundowns. So like ke worried to like going forward.
Next week.
And obona ntho bua nka
Next week.
Itse o qeta hore
One turn. The tactics the questionable. The question.
No,
Or
no,
like
yeah, key into or like una le di game tse lo re ngwang tswala.
yeah.
And it goes back to ntho tikombisa chilo.
Exactly.
I understand. Or you can't be choosing games, bruh. You can't.
Exactly.
Can't.
So like in fact, the Sundowns, midweek, everything is at stake. We win, restructure gap. Sundowns a winner, it close a gap. Good mind into the player like Kempo, they know like he can right at number 8. Including the player, they know like he may important kaka.
And the player is switcher on it, like first lineup.
Only to find out Wednesday, 1 hour before kickoff, wabona lineup akiyo scheming. Omungai, all of a sudden, Shavulu Kawati, yeah? Oh, limit. Joan ni nakoma. Nakuchi mose, so limit Joan.
Like I'm a team has it,
Exactly.
No, like I'm not talking about in the field of play. I think that we could imagine like I'm paying attention to it. Let go see Steve get good he play and already when I actually a fielding what is win. It come from Lament.
Exactly.
You understand? So if me dangias guti long ya perform and saying as good first lineup causing la
Exactly.
you prepare yourself for that lineup, then Zichik is into it. Already, my switches into them switch. Mazongen as deliver because you're expecting a different outcome. Not labor glitter and the flame. So Ugliwa way to sing Asha City, I'm a player, but even the technical stuff,
Exactly.
I'm getting a hierarchy, meaning you're 7, so when you tell them what's easy. So lento lebula player and when a catch player is underperforming because of 1, 2, 3, 4. It's because of the decisions.
Wangithola. So like mfethu wabona le dating ngecost le Pirates ka game ya Wednesday. Wabona la midlile nda. Ayispan dating la midlile nje.
Ayispan.
Ayisebenzi. Ayikopani.
Makhawula nemthatshela.
Check in fact Makhawula nemtatshela never span.
Ayispan.
Which the
Combination
or you don't have.
Ayikho like ko Makhawula le Masindi. Ayispan.
Ayispan.
Masindi ke player grand. Una le di moments tse lo reng gambona ayi wa phamisa wa botla. Una le di moments tseo. Mara never span. You know like Makhawula uba comfortable adlala lembatho.
And about the show pop,
Wang understand. Wangithola. You right ba imfana itse Kevin Fete ga cover you. We know like okay sharp. Really uba more comfortable ana le mang Njebe le lembatho. Le magopa na because of magopa understand the movement is high da wanthola. And then utlamang a police. Ke yona winning formula for nna. E ke tseba ngo like katse. Ala ka jiwa mara la ka dlala troma ka tsaba ga tse a tseba tse ke masole di alwa. So like o checka like okay lineup e ona magopa. Ntho gona ngo like o draw defense away.
O gona go minus like
magopa mfana spanisa mfana kile ka tsho ka magopa role ya edlala nda ko Pirates. For nna I understand again. And le di play tse le go no di gona mo compliment maswanga le gona compliment ara edi magopa because of amtsebo ga ke a tseba ke hlela ka e tlo shifte so a ke dlala tlo dlala so
sing tswetse ke mbuthu mane
hey
jo
dog
jersey number 9
player kungamela ngaqala negame so wafaka second half
abomreni sakhuluma ngayo
mina mfana bengicabanga ukuthi uClose Khole u retire uvunduka seka umremi
the reincarnation of those
one shot
tango like umremi ntango sikholela ntanga straight
ole yena wa matho ke Speedy Gonzalez na direction mfethu afula spisa
football brains da
enchaka wafita di roboto mfana hayi afula mafura nje
akuna football brain da
na think
ayikho
can I pose a question
can
I pose a question at that level PSL level phela gona mo South Africa PSL it's gona the climax to reach right then you find players that they cannot trap pass pocket runs like your strikers like your wingers lento lengitshela ngayizolo ukuthi umremi unala lento alimbeka already umuntu maseka beka isandla kanje iweight yakhe iwele kuwe mfethu you cheat lo muntu as well ibhola lisala la
there are no brains
but when you still contesting and your contest it's a losing contest because ukomrawanyana
u end up so foul player
you get what I'm
when the falls ebhaya mawabani mremi and
uzawathola yellow card
natothola
red kahle
natothola
red card
so like uphunyuile mawabani so like I think lona game ya mawabani hayi imithi ntanga yabo
kayimela ke game mfethu mfethu into engishoyo ngalokho
and like itabo like akicabula go coach like the players o di jwetsang like before game iqala like because of mpekele game le Sundowns alimpekele game le I first goal as a captain season player center back Joe striker saca vitraka zinjani kule maybe you can attest striker mfethu sikhona hore sifite from ka yiki umgcinalekwa ke kiyele bayigenya ball lento le sibilibili from the side like le cross ivela ngala sibilibili uvala igame ulivalela ni game because khona la Makhawula udropile sikhona wawuvala wangapress lo muntu lozo cross
fethu
well gona nana kudlala kamol side le ke cover le nyori out only right back or left back
or full back
I'll allow the cross the game ke yona mission yao like aska cross awona cross re batlanda unless abantu they want to ba overplay ba le2 o sina mtholo ngwa cover but then cross re batla so sibilibili like distance ke ubani Nuno Santos cross
le shot diagonal ka
o shot diagonal mtho fitile mra our captain Sibisi akho
and yazisuka vala ufuna ukutshela isuka yonke dating kuzayenza dating le beka hayi usibisi besekadlala careful masekadlala that's why ileyo lokhada yenza makucala igame
le handball esent
iyemdlalise kabuhlungu why like lela bhola lela why beka bamba utebza beka le Ngabo uliyekile lapho la wayovala space. Lo muntu ekayale.
Akusukuthi akwazi ukugijima.
Mfethu, umuntu uyale.
For a season player. Khala dlala mntu. Ki national player mntu. Wayitsilo ntho yenzeng wrong. Mfethu. Wayebona mfethu ispeech sa discuss etla mfethu and wabona gore like yiki a fihla ga fihla. Clearly wabona gore like okay. Tebo mkona o tlo fihla pele o nna. Wa tlamele committee la. Ne never etsale le
valile because
we won. Mthomfet no tlamele etse ntho simple mfethu wabona o sante bo mkwena wa fihla la. And a ka shaka body movement fela. Aska ithinta ball. Ke enda penna ke committee le for and la afunya bona center. Ke fair la.
Namagula u.
As a threat too.
If bekangathula ngilo cut because of sliders. Bekazolala nalo.
Usiema second goal.
So my question is, what does this have to say with the standard of PSL? If our biggest teams.
Lento lesiyona from episode 1.
So ka second round their league, the most crucial time of the league.
Like nizama mistake
have to say about PSL.
Konke ne coach
nafona wabana nafona ne ya Pirates ka fela yona ikwa
Grandstand coach mapagania
are ngoba phumut
hayi ikwa Grandstand
yasekisho like yena re
ka fela bona ba injured ba limit mara ba team everything ba limit ka fela ba team ka fela
mabaveza video Monday eGym
ba ka fela ba team ka fela bona mara ba limit and ba team aling le squad anke ga o limit o teamela side ding le one mara ba team as a team ka fela mara ba limit so bakho Grandstanding badutsi
batripile abathandi uze ngefavoritism thathi out zakhe za ku Gallants yizo manje sikumele sidlale yize sikumele manje zenza iplan ngeke zenza iplan le pressure le eku Pirates ne pressure ku Gallants awafani
okasi
labantu laba mfethu ba introduce ka into bengihlale ngisho mina ngama new players introduce them well ungavele ubafaki pressure ifana ayifani ne play libuye ku development ya ku Pirates uda ubulento le Pirates uyangithola it's simple that it's umbukazi bamlahlelile wa perform urile udlalile uslepe angazi ukuthi waye bangamdlalisi bangamzami nokumzama ngoba le ntona le last time idlalile dancing udlalile
ulimele
yeah cause balimele yalimalwa nje wonke umuntu ulimele ku Pirates
game Sundowns kunantona le bathe idlale 4 consecutive games alandelana then they brought him ngale game le
izolo TS Gallants
kunantona le angazi uzuno
ngoba
uspiya lo shaya penalty but like lento show manje I quote you don't introduce a player goma game ubona ukuthi lama game it's a must win game
azomsinda
away from home
and he even considered a penalty after that and he was playing 4 consecutive games
Sibiya mabani first goal itlaka yena adlala a crossfield pass Mohar by Khitsa goal number 2 penalty Sibiya
introduce
cup game
introduce wana kanje mfethu
and timkhumula Jays
ayiceda bonesa
first like second leg
ayiceda yetsa ukenya ingi the season players the experience ile hayi Thembazwane Mdiba Mrena
so Mount Peggy Thembazwane is he still that player?
No, he's not. He's actually, you know what? Let me not
because against the Pirates bamfakile but
sekamdala ngithi manje nama injury cautious is the
cautious
but then again akakafiki like mama limala like abothembazwane kule minyaka yabo ithatha isikhathi ukuthi ubuyele kule form and noma ubuyela ayisafana nasekuqaleni but then I tried his level best wazama each and every time akathola ibhola ball intercept but bekalwe nala 10 khona wathi udlala
yeah
no the talent salibona likhona but
something still there but then again bafethu I mean I feel like there's a pandemic with PSL
a big one my brother I've been saying since from episode 1 ukuthi I feel like they are deserving players who's supposed to be there but then because of us kwenzakalani behind the scenes I won't be there. That is why bengibheka ku TikTok bekunenye trend beyida ukuthi I used to play soccer, I used to be a professional soccer mara kafikanga kule level until something has happened so untanga bekadlala idisk ngibonile la uvizi bekadlala na ku Nedbank Cup in yabo then no seka spana ngathi ma tracking seka spana ngiyabona ama comments kwenzakalana you don't wanna know yabo. Hey, come in, it's one of those stories. Yangithola. So you yabona ukuthi there are players who are deserving, my brother.
But they're not there.
Yeah, they are not there. Now we are watching Abomre running,
Masibilebe.
they are running, nje. Like
Imahashi.
Headless chicken.
mfethu
Imagine.
now sibukele nje mfethu angazi ukuthi ngizothi sibukele mase sibukele nje
Yeah.
because of manje like I don't understand ukuthi
I
like
think no abana no.
awuthi amuploma no really yasikasi lakho you can see the brains ukuthi la there's football brains uyayibona le nto ukuthi iyacabanga noma bazama ukuyikhipha egamini noma i1 izama ukubamba but uyayibona ukuthi ngiyazama man ukuthi sibe la then you are there wena you are kunala mfana le ntona lezolo angazi volleyball yenzani yangithola mayiceda yashaya uRila Mesona yashaya ibhola lo ukhala wu stadium I was like if bekurila bekazomphasa because ume grand yena uyahesha ntawo for in under pressure sidinga igoli wena yabona ukugijimisa iglori into engibora
For ukushayina because
into angishongo rating le ukuthi this second league now ama players azodlalela ukuthi I want to go to the World Cup so kumele badlalele iglori kumele kube uye no now it's gone because obviously niyabona yo really thola man of the match guy 3 uyakora uya assist so now you have this thing ukuthi lo muntu uyaya ku World Cup I want to be there so now mase kumele uphasi manje wena usaphasi because ufuna ukuthi
ufuna ukushayina
umrimo koridini now you are killing our team
azimfana
apolice ungenile izolo mfana yazi trying players you can see nyazama bamdlala out of position
Maka speed he's trying to push
uyazama mfethu uyazama ukuthi bafethu asiyeni uyazama maro yabona ukuthi awudlala nabanye abantu
reference ayikho lapha enkabini
hey
point of reference the engine ayiyo mfethu
Okay, what are the points?
but he was not there
What are
as
the
a reference
of the whole thing that we're busy talking about with Pirates, this, Sundowns, that? Like, what are the points that isn't the one zilungiswe moving forward?
izinto kumele zilungiswe ukuthi bathole abo-coach aba-grand for ama-team lawo wethu hayi mina bengithi wadi coach e-grand
Okay,
but
as it
then
stands right now.
yeah as it
As it
stands
stands right now.
or bathole abo-coach no ayi no ngeke isalunga bachubeke
No,
bacede isizini
Sure,
boyi-two
yeah.
bachubeke bacede isizini but going forward after the season mfethu tholani i-coach e-grand yabona uJose Rivero akayiwinanga ileague ku-Pirates
maka ushiye
but
something
angeke sithi bekungasi-coach e-grand because we saw abuild i-team athi athatha ama-young players abuild i-team uyafika wena bakusayinela nama-player cabanga uRivero ubhekaphethile ama-player la cabanga uRivero bebamsayile all these players kanje anama-player anama-option abhaya so
hey hayi
wena
kuningi
uyafika unama-option I think bamsayine nama-player bekawafuna yena personal bamsayinele nje
Kahle kahle ufike sele April.
uze wazicelela wathi
Uzicelela.
I would like to work with the player like Mbulu wewazizona
bamsayinile bamcelele now so uthatha lama-player la into engisho yabona igame la izolo into engisho ngi-low block ngizobeka uKabelo Dlamini there uyokwazi ukushaya amaphasi ukubreaka ama-low blocks bekufuneka busipho Mbulu izolo uKabelo Dlamini
creative
players thinkers akufuneka bomrimi
and yabona
le ntwana lezi umrimi besisicavu ukuthi uzorana
speaking of
zimgayi ispace
speaking of-
alithi zivele zimaki ispace
speaking of creative players ne I played bo Shenko bo Mbule ki played okay adinani be patient ka build up
yeah
mo itshotsa ngo like isang but ba tshwara polo awolo lona le dutse la and wa tsava ali defender le bangata obvious keeper abone abone grand anything e ka etsala tida penalty handball whatever free kick we know Shenko ka free kick Mbule ka scoop we know so like machita khona le tsang patience ba build up until uhlala di pockets tseo whereby Mofokeng a hlalang teng a idlale la iphasile e thole mtholo ho mang o khona ho Mofokeng o e beile we a dinla ke a qeta o tshuna la ding ke la dinyana tse jwa so na re shota ka la ding eo shooting
dog
Wednesday Like Wednesday Sundowns, ne? Wednesday evening, Mobile. Now short again, creative players. There's no creativity in the middle of the park.
So key elements, especially chunking creativity.
You see.
Yeah.
Maybe I would say the way he selects the players.
Team selection.
So
Favoritism. Yembulala. Leyo point lo.
Like okay. Favoritism.
Favoritism, tactics, team selection, and creativity.
It's everywhere. So what's the trademark of Orlando Pirates? No, like King trademark.
Killed us, that one.
No.
Robocop. Sapifa baba slam one. Beef.
I saw Mfiti Chiefs ayidlalanga. Trademark ye-Pirates. King.
Beef mna.
Okay, trademark your Pirates, and I believe trademark your Pirates is high tempo game. So when it comes to build up, they don't believe in that. Like the slow tempo game, they don't believe in that.
I wouldn't say they don't believe in that. What's that why?
Out of 100%.
Yeah.
It's Banka Pirates, it's high tempo game.
Yeah. Speed.
Yeah, high tempo
Yeah.
game. That's why they're about to jump slow, man.
Never feature.
Yeah.
It's trademark.
So, Matians. Okay, go khutlela mrao. Ka review. Ne ba iqala mrao. Build up.
Aki wadu no sana to.
Anke ke iqala ka review. Ne ba iqala mrao. Build up. No khono e bona ile from mrao. Ke wadu no. Wadu ayidlali le ding. Wadu aqata jumper center unida speed. Ba shapa ka speed. Something like a transition, a proper one, and tlamele be perfect.
Like me.
One tall. That's why unalbu mrim. Unalbu a police up front. Unalbu really one tall. Mbutuma speedy same. So I understand it about Mbutuma is a modern striker. C'est le rôle nationaliste. Ayo lazy joueur nga sa khono na mfito. O dlala le rile fait ke football brain. Ke genius, a re mbe joueur. Nahana, e rida tshwere polo nahana. Movement ya e jwang. Nahana. Think, se ke tshwa like Mbutuma yena a bona rida tshwere polo atla so from center. Singa exciting from center. Nahana as a strike o etsa. In fact, mpulele ke khono bona palo ke le rile. Mpulele ke bone palo. Nna ntho tla etsala. In fact, ntwana la tshwere polo tlamelo o dilo tsebe o planeteng.
So don't you think there's like external factors that one level amongst the players? Let's say for an example, Wapula Twitter think Masongwai. What then Butumo Mtola Emimul.
I'm qual.
As a player, fellow player, a player alone he wish the best for other player. Don't you think he would have moved there Tito to take the shot, but he stood. He stood like who aim like a concrete people na aim.
But I yet a moment in the Kidaka like Mahopa Mahoka, and while that's Mahopa Naoba.
So you have to understand that if Nasa Emma failed, I feel up on a Bella Kenyan Punti. Understand? Because Polele Akata Robert Polele Ilendilin to Lantwane.
Oh, I don't know. As a taller spaces of Rama, with some Camilla Hute, one bona ki.
That's why I
get.
So in Kiri, don't you think of these players? You're not jealous for the player. That's why we tell about every talent, not only on Pirates.
I can take a talent go team in the offer.
But I know we are going cup.
Into Ntanga Buang like
woman of the match like 3 times. Let's say for an example, Lentole for Munto position really. It's like that means for the very same thing. So really, outshining and what put like a so you understand what Lentole there's an impact. An impact.
And I don't Loomis positional the player.
Yeah, I think
Nending umdlalisa yi, nending kumdlalisa yi, like the player most certainly quite like yi.
Wednesday,
I mean like ngeke mlesa Sundowns. Umdlalisitse ka mo left.
Ilebele menza kani?
Imethisa so. And he was caged.
Okay, but it's in conclusion, you spoke a lot about Pirates.
The trademark Pirates will soon get our goods. We build from the back, we move the ball according. Lema pace, fast pace. That is why it's a miss. So from miss, Abumbutumba miss and in court. By a miss, because Chahi.
So from back, then your trademark is being building up.
I know. From
that's why why to go on my trademark alone.
Yeah.
Hence, Pirates in Nakitiba ile ngizomgaya tempo game. So
Yeah.
ngiyathemba ngadlala al-Pirates.
We're expecting the speed.
Exactly, and
high
I
tempo
know
game.
I need my defenders to be on their toes, not flat. You understand? So the reason why I'm asking that is because we know for Pirates when it comes to speed, it's Pirates. We know when it comes to building from the back, it's Sundowns. We know when it comes to like combinational play, it's Kaizer Chiefs. Like you understand, that's the trademark of the team. But now because there's like the times are moving and things are changing, the inside they are changing, we become confused. Hence I'm asking when actually Pela Pirates le na ka Riviera. Ne ke tseba qala ball from Italy ne ko ero.
That's a trademark say color from there. Because qala ukubuild from there.
There's the Pirates. I know.
What's all etalang? Ke go ba re tshwere di man dismantle team. The core kaofela injured.
According to
ka core.
I good by injured.
A bua ka core, di bua ka di ball players. Tse le go no ba re di injured kaofela tsona. Ball players ke tse ba tshwara ball ba pala. Ke ba a ga tsaga. That's why umutlela ka di press conference I don't believe in circus football.
Seconds.
Circus.
Oh, seconds.
Yeah. So I wanna Bombule ne. Bombule ke di player tse le go no. Mbule mshebe ba qeta mkenyetsa. Udlala. And I mean tsa dlala ditha.
And the ball tsa di feta bona di player mo.
Ke da ding le go ngwadi yena e ba tlo batla eng high tempo game. Batla ga mati.
And that's
that becomes predictable most. Because we know if Mrema qeta o jump skantona tsetsa ntse give study sheet
Mamela. Shout out to Ntona Tsile njaka.
shout out.
Wa bona Tsile?
Shout out to Cesric. Yeah.
Actually not the coach but the technical
Shout out to Cesric players.
Ntona Tsile di tlile ka plan.
Technical team bonke.
underdogs.
Ma ba neng Ntona Tsile di tlile ka plan di tsaba arena sharp nut. Ga ba tseba ba dlala jwang. Ma gona go dula da.
Plan nabo vele
Plan ya bona
vele kuma
vele. Ni ya di penalty vele. Ale mona. A bone pizza tsaka. Ene ntho nna to go re. Yemele Ntona Tsile ona e tsetse go khata.
ayashisa.
Ni jala fe.
No music.
Pirates ile se di. A ba se tena ngelona.
Okay. Yeah, no. Pirates.
Ya bona fa
Oh, not even Pirates. Pirates is an institution, right? Wadu. That's you a sick patient in general.
Yes, sikhulume Pirates.
Big team.
Yeah,
Big
so basically,
institution.
no, actually, we touched up on everything, basically.
Yeah.
PSL, Nedbank, Pirates, and
Nedbank, Stellenbosch, penalty yesterday. What's going on? Drama. Hey.
Drama.
Khambi.
Ilento ngikhuluma ngayo.
Drama.
Shika.
Officiating.
Khambi.
Manqobuye washo wathi siyaidinga i-VAR ne-technology advance
Uzwile masicala bo.
for officiating.
Master before so shoot. Ngithe uref lobeka refa against i-game ye-Sundowns ne-Lekuzana TS Galaxy. First half bemsindi game.
Officiating.
So abo referee bethu they need to go bayabenzela ama-clinics.
Stelis.
You well informed.
Basirope nge-penalty clear.
So no njengoba ke sekuso ngiyabona sekunjani. Naku PSL niyabona sekunjani. Pirates bayiqandile Wednesday. Sundowns close the gap. So ngiyabona da ngibheki log. Chiefs
No 2 games in hand.
2 game in hand. Mabayiwina.
They are Tuesday.
Yeah, hayi ningayiwina next week Saturday because manje le coach angisamthembi nami ukuthi hle kwenzakalani. Angisunderstand
So mina
kwenzakalani.
ngitshela bari game ya Wednesday. Ngifuna lose. You know why? For mina.
Oh,
That's my
of course.
I-league at least ibe a bit interesting, understand? Because ngifila ngathi igap mayivulekile. We don't get to experience lento sifuna
Mnandi.
So if there's like Tom and Jerry, iba mnandi because we sime ngamathathe kwami ukuthi Pirates Sundowns.
Yeah, I think yada.
Sundowns. Kaizer Chiefs.
Yada.
No, bekumele bezoba mnandi if iPirates beyiwinile, ane?
Kubeke bagijimise waya.
No, hear me out. Let me cook this one for you,
That
my
was
brother.
my opinion and bengakaqedi but fair. Asi.
Let me cook this one for you.
Yeah.
Bezoba mnandi mangabe iPirates beyiwinile.
Yeah.
Yayistretcha, ngithola. Then
That's what you want, right?
na 2
That's
games
what you want, right?
ngimamele kuphekeleyo. Na 2
Bale
games in
game
hand.
sometimes labantu. Abanayo.
Hayi badlala neStellenbosch.
Basane game nabo ngiba.
Abasane game yamanga ngibali le ngikhulumela no angithi based on point lakhe angithi sebekafuna ukuthi sidliwe so mina ngithi bengifuna ukuthi iPirates iwine ne
Yeah.
i-stretch ne ngimamile ngiphekela iChiefs iPirates i-stretch iwine then nidle Stellenbosch ngithola nibe na 33 points
iChiefs iphekele ukuthi ihlale ku which position
number 2
Number 2.
I knew it
Obvious. Akere Saturday ziyahlangana.
ayikho lento le ayikho
bekubuziwe no igame le-Pirates the Chiefs akusi game in hand the-Chiefs akusi game in hand because of game because sidlala nabo nangithi azo so bengithi ngiphekela bona ukuthi masibadla la
number 2
i-Sundowns bayidle bese le game in hand yabo mabayiwina bazoba na 36 points bahlale number 2 angifuni i-Sundowns
Yes.
imfesi namkhulu
phela i-Sundowns i-team engabamba i-Pirates
Uvi.
yabo
Nala vele baxoza
what are you saying about me
because of bashiya nga 3 points mama ngayona le game in hand
that
yabo
doesn't say Jack dog
yabo
you know why ngithi ayisho lutho
so nina
because wena kwawena bonga expecta ukuthi iSundowns izokushaya
yeah
so ngifuna ukubonisa ukuthi i-discussion are there for so what can happen after
Okay,
that?
now,
you never know
Yona
Okay,
ina
now
the
mina- I'm telling you what's gonna happen. You're gonna play next week, you and I.
and I'm gonna buy you bro
Udlala
now-
kayi this week lo
I'm
muntu.
gonna nice
I don't trust the coach anymore. I just want that nigga gone. I don't care. Noma ngawini league, angisena ndaba, ngifuna vaye. Angisamthemba, awuthi ungayithatha empini. Mina mfana, yabona iPirates ni makudlala iDerby. iDerby can go either way, ne? Can go either way. That is why anginandaba neDerby. It's just that mina ngifuna ukuthi ama-player mawadlala that game. Both
Bazi
teams
express, yeah.
ba-enjoy.
Bazi
Ba-express ibhola
Bazi
labo.
express.
No, nginendaba ne-3 points. Nginendaba ne-3 points. But then akusi igame engilibheke ngalento ukuthi ngifuna iPirates la ibadle 5-0. Ngifuna iPirates idle Sundowns 5-0.
right
Yeah, i-team mina, i-team
like
like
game ilibona aphi ne
no,
Hayi,
iqedile.
iqedile.
I-team engayizwisisi because of somehow amfana nokubheka lamanye amagame eSundowns uyabona ukuthi hayi
thina first game yethu
amagame lawa
game ekuyawuqala kunale
Akudlala
yasadlala April.
okay yeah okay
So ashiyi team yabo. That's why bengifuna ukuthi sipheke Wednesday nidlale niwine
ufuna libe kahle kahle poison ephela ngibulala iphela
Kren.
Ulethe so.
So wena modlala neSundowns nizodlala kayi-1 ngithi
yeah
sele
Second
1
game. Second
okay
game.
ya la masondlala neSundowns nina vele mina ngizobe sengihleli comfortable
Asazi.
number
maybe asazi
Selenga nga 14 ne.
Badlala i-draw.
14 game ne. 13 14.
ya
Somewhere
angisamthembi coach Pirates hayi
mina still believe ne
Mm.
I still believe ukuthi Pirates isane upper hand ukuthi ngayewini league but now njengoba asho yawuthi yami nam by the look of things ucoach wenu nokutakataka
Hayi ukuthi unobutakataka.
Uyatakataka.
Uyatakataka.
Why ke unobutakataka
Yeah.
because game tse dinga le di winner la celebrate
Ra celebrate win. Mara coach.
una lobutakataka ulusitse di game tse ithu se limbuwa re limbuwa nkate
ulusitse seyi-4
ya se ke bua ka
Rambuwa
ke
vele.
bua no ka tse ithu
akiqalile katseni
ke re le qadile
buzi khutmani lami ukuthi ngathini ku-status
Mamela.
masiceda ukudliwa igalani
bobo mamela
ngathi le awuthi le
bobo angithi wena ni
oh
yabo
ya
Imagine
mina
Pirates
vele
about yourself.
bengiwina vele I was
Institution.
happy it's my
Yeah.
team winning
When you're a veteran ku Pirates
yeah so
so kamele sikhulume ngawanye
Ah,
abantu
Now.
institution.
yekelani
Wari uyatakataka.
yekelani
no
because
mina
now
that
wadi
guy
mahlela wandi lapho unokuqakeka lapha
Oh.
uthatha amathambo engqondo
Oh, same
Ah,
story,
wali.
same story.
Ngiyangithola.
Ufana
You don't have the
nomremi.
killer instinct.
there's no football brains
Wabhayiza wena.
nangama-penalty zola understand why i-penalty crucial bebayishayisa i-defender i-defender engajwayelanga i-pressure yamagame aso bamshayisa leya penalty
okay
yange bakhona ukuthatha omunye umuntu but
Uthini ngecaptain
okay
yakho?
sharp iselection yama penalty angithi yazi mas practice
mfana yabona ngikhulumanga ngayo kunokumbala
masijima ngithi masilapha eRand Stadium mjimela kuphi konje
Aaron
eRand
Stadium.
Stadium masijima eRand Stadium practice ama free kick there's a set piece taker right
yeah
maybe let's say urile
habayifaki idla ama-ice
yeah let's say asisho okay sengisho ukuthi makangekho Dlamini ukhona
Ulimele.
set piece taker sharp then kube nalezi ukuthi vele ejiming zawasha ama penalty sesithenjiwe kunalo othi uyayishaya ipenalty makunovalo ukuthi ithi ngithathe le penalty njengoba nikhuluma ngendaba kaBhuthuma ukuthi mangabe uvele wahamba washaya ipenalty right so lentwana le defender le shaya ipenalty
Chabatsana
surely liyawashaya mfethu it's just that it was unfortunate and chofunate it didn't score
pressure ntwana
Ngangolubona nale penalty ushaye kanjani. Mfethu
Ushaye
ushaye
palo,
mfethu
mfethu.
umuntu lo.
Ntsona batla utsuka
maka take nothing away from him ne ibile ligame egrind
thank you
yabona
No, ukudlala. Hayi no.
Abafana nanjani?
Thank you.
Ungizwe ngibeke kanjani.
angizwile
Angizange
Hayi,
ngiblame.
yeah.
pressure mshayile la phela waqoka
Ngiblame i-coach ukuthi as i-coach okay uyabona ukhicha batsana hey for lama game so sekune pressure high iwin lebe kuyi-winning penalty
so yena makazimela athi ngiyalithatha
Then unalo
Uyazi
confidence.
bayathatha ukuthi number
Yeah,
1 ubani
bayathatha
oh
nje,
captain
sure.
ya number 2 mara
and nathi
Masawubona.
lapho uyalimisa isandla athi okay ngizoyithatha esi2
mase ubona ukuthi S5 crucial as i-coach yamtshela ukuthi hey amuthatha ipenalty
so mawuthi ushabatsana angashaya umreplace ngobani in this situation
bekumele kuyimbuthuma
okay sharp niyazi ukuthi nama-star player wethu ayamazing
hey mfana
I
ngithi
am amazed.
emfe bengithukile mfeturile makayolithatha ipenalty hey mfana ngiminyile ngithi
hayi lushayile makusasasho ukuthi ama-star player wethu
phela ngithi lo yacava phela
ya no hayi
phela
lawo
yabo.
sewacava
ulile phela waligeja saphuma
Ngithi-
kukhe
yabona
Maka
ukuthi-
wayilungile.
yabona ukuthi ngikhuluma ngayo une-experience
Hey, wabona, elevele use-
wamesa
Sim-
masidlale ku-champions
hey
league
sevenue
umbuthuma bekumele athathe ipenalty lesi-5 because ulimesile no nge-champions league so
Eh.
sekayayazi i-pressure rating le ugayiplay elisha elingadlali regularly lothatha ipenalty eli-crucial kayi umuntu oyaziyo le pressure
I think
leya
the episode
mfethu.
that it was all about pirates.
ah vele
Hey,
Pirates are bleeding.
bifiki
And I don't have any
bifi
bandages. I'm unsure
ay sorry for ukukhuluma nge-pirates
And then, man,
kuphela,
ngithe
mhlawumbe
ngithi-
ayakwatisa.
ngithe
So now-
ngicaba bafethu hey kwasho kwasho
So now, back to what we spoke about last time. Siseyivala ngoba siyivale ngayo na last time. Ne? Sisa uyawapose i-question. Wathi
ikomdise
Tiko Mdise uyowaringa rating leya is it about urile na police? Was it because of jealousy or
is building the player.
bekabuild ama-play? Agenda icala la.
ithi
Hayi yami agenda nje.
Ikhulunywa ubaba.
Agenda ithi uTiko Modise yena personal usithathize legend yakhe
the Sundowns
yani
the Sundowns
usithathize legend yakhe
Okay,
awishilo
yena ushilo yena
Oh,
straight
angiyazi.
Hayi, usho.
oh ushilo uthe usithathize legend yesandla
because of he won
So-
everything the Sundowns
Oh,
here's my thing ke ngifuna ukubona ukuthi bekangayikhulumeli in place of building
it's jealous.
these guys bekayikhulumela in place of
Demoralizing.
demoralizing these players do you know why
Why?
because of besizodlala ne-Sundowns
obvious
our next game
the
bekuyi-Sundowns
Sundowns yeah
yini yena bekumele ayisho
So this is not a coincidence.
yes it's not bekayisho because of apolice Mfukeng bebayi-talk of the town
yeah
yibo bebeza kule
Shifty
Oh,
focus.
so because akhulunywa.
Eh.
yeah
shift
Bona bam-
focus
yeah beka-shifty focus
Good.
so ilento yenziwe ubani ubraje kumaswangane maswangane beka-on form ashisa la season ayenza bambuza that question
demoralize
do you think utito what demoralize ukuthi you cannot compare whatever ishilo to ends so Tiko Modise did the same thing my brother because of you knew ukuthi the next 2 games alabantu laba crucial and if they win cause bisingakadlali ne-Sundowns angithi everybody thought ukuthi lezi zizowina so if they win they're gonna win the league ngilegend ye-Sundowns angiyivumi lady and obvious uyakwamula ku-Sundowns
Obvious.
bane-podcast yabo la yese-Sundowns so
Oh,
uringa
kahle kahle uprotect iplate yakhe.
yeah
exactly
Yeah.
that's my point
Yeah.
my guy
Okay, Tikomdisi.
Yinto bekayitshula.
Iplate yakhe inani?
So,
Sidlala umroho.
ngine lesingayibona
mafana,
ukuthi akuzange kube ne-legend ye-Pirates e-backup ama-Gents
exactly
ezoringa positive about ama-Gents wethu
nazo-ke awuthi
because of enebuyela lisayitini la Sundowns
nazo
Ame-
Sundowns yeah ame-Sundowns legend
nazo-ke
I won everything with Sundowns I'm
Nazo-
where I am because of Orlando Pirates I won everything with.
nazo
Yeah.
ngiyawuthiya
Re ka visit re tla tla le yona next week trip eo.
complex in a sense already
nazo ngiyawuthiya
tikombisi
Mm.
so legends by botsamaya le dintho tse di accumulating
yeah
what about team e keep le nhlathing ya etsa product o leng yona leng
Utlwa qala hore
That's a rate.
o sikhuluma ngama silverware
Khuluma yena uthi legend
Ari.
Sundowns
I'm where I am because
Today.
of
Orlando
Orlando
Pirates
Pirates.
Yeah, but-
However, I won everything with Mamelodi Sundowns.
So-
Mamelodi Sundowns legend
Exactly.
yes
legend or legend or legend
legend
okay sharp jene bafethu sevala lento
Legend.
Legend.
like subscribe and share singajabula manje ngashare abafethu sifuna ama viewers abe maningi ne following ibe baya so khona ukuthi sithole ikhiphe ezi fresh
Zebhakane.
shibobo hayi bhakane abafethu
Shibobo Mac.
Shibobo Mac social platforms bengashare lo bhuti so akayenzanga mina ngenza ngento engekho yabona but yeah anyways
I'm so sure next week so yeah predictions next games
Kaizer
Chiefs Stellenbosch Sundowns amazulu
Badlala nini lapho?
amazulu ne Sundowns I think Wednesday
Okay.
and top
Tuesday,
4
Tuesday, Wednesday, Southeast.
yeah Southeast iDavi siyazi uzothi team yakhe izoyina uzophakathi izoyina right
And then
sengizela
we have
waya Tuesday na
Still
Wednesday
listening Chiefs.
yeah
yaqasha
Still listening Chiefs.
angizoshaya Stelis 2
so uvumelana nami manje
angizoshaya Stelis
so uvumelana nami
Angiyavuma vele indaba manje
So uvumelana nami?
angibhayisikele ngifuna ama point
sikavumelana nami ngimtshayile ngathi njengoba badliwe ku Nedbank Chiefs ayingeke iye lapha yithi
bengaphikisani nawe because I
Chiefs
wouldn't say my team was going
Chiefs
to
wants blood
Chiefs win.
yeah bengaphikisani nawe
Chiefs win
my blood is black
Chiefs
and
win,
yellow
yeah.
by the way
Chiefs win
Bena.
actually
Yeah.
it's black and gold right
A lovely draw.
lovely throw
Yeah.
with goals or not
Yeah. It's a lovely draw.
oh Stellenbosch and Kaizer Chiefs
I
lovely
love it
draw
in Komulu Shakes Kungwan, a lovely draw.
mara
wena uthi
Anginandaba ukuthi kuyinani a lovely
wena
draw.
uthi
Stellenbosch senza kanje
Asazi.
Chiefs
ay mara mfethu sisibonisa umhlobo
Senzani savula?
sisibonisa umhlobo I hope we've learned
Senzani savula?
kule game si analyze egrand
Amaka for mina.
mawungabhekana kule game le Nedbank
Sometimes amazulu.
if ushawana if umdube kakore weglist kulawa wamisile li1
abesibaqedile
game bizo but if bakuzoyenzakala same thing
manje wena bo
bakhona.
if mfethu sifana yabo if sifuna into eguaranteed
Yeah sazi mara mina ke Chiefs and Stellenbosch mina ngithi
I said we
Chiefs is coming for blood
vengeance
It's a win.
vengeance
it's a win
Okay, win, draw.
vengeance
Sometimes amazulu.
Sundowns amazulu
yeah no I would wish ukuthi amazulu win but no ngiyazi ukuthi
Amazulu is gonna win Amazulu is gonna win Amazulu is gonna win wena le upper hand
draw
it's gonna win and it's gonna be
Lovely
win
draw.
etello ayibona ya 1-0
1-0 score sama balls
It's a lovely draw. A lovely draw.
Then Pirates against Chiefs
Mm.
okay
never
confidence okay 1-0 and
winning Chiefs
yeah
Hmm?
and
Any team.
Vice versa.
yeah no mina ngithi ngathi bangashawa ucoach wethu ngered asadlala sizodlala against the Chiefs
Mm.
izobe khona lady
uzibamshaya red card
ukuthi nesigame amshaya nge-red card ngegame le-Chiefs angabi khona hey
ubani
So uthi-
ungazoyibamba nangeke
So team.
mawubhala one ufake ipersonal
So uthini?
so uthini
no i-Pirates izowina ngepanenka
not convincing
Tito
umzili
Maswana.
athi I know
Mina ngithi uJesu uyabuya. uJesu.
that's Kaizer Chiefs
Uyabuya. So
indirect
Phaka lizoyina
uJesu yabuya
ukuvuka kwePhaka Phaka.
uJesu yabuya
lizoyina le game 2-1.
okay
On the
bafethu
day. FNP.
analyze ngidike Steve aqeda ngochonaje
FNP.
analyze ngitho Steve aqeda ngochonaje
Ore.
Pirates inze inout yaqathabula ke that simply means uNkulunkulu dala wabuye sidala wabuye thina sisamlindile namanje uyabuya uSteve uyambuyisa wabhe
Jesus is coming. Esigodini. So
hashtag
laba sobashayile eJarden la.
hashtag abakhosi
Igame la.
hashtag
2-1 score.
amakhosi
Pirates 2 Chiefs 1. Confidence ke le. Sile
uJesu yabuya
and ama-fans e-Chiefs ngijabulile kule viki.
GNU bathi GNU yibo ne-Sundowns GNU.
Sicela ama-question
Okunama-question.
When Pirates loses the whole of South Africa.
Do you think VAR should be implemented? PSR?
Yes, 100% because of now. Lo Toto wenzakele Wednesday ngaba ukho.
lo dodo wenzakele since liqala mangaba
Lo Toto wenzakala izolo. Clear penalty. Azange bayinike.
Stellis Golden Arrows. And mfana yabona nalama game esingawubuya.
Last time I checked
bathe izikhona into
and
ezinhle.
bafethu I think it's on social media game bafethu
Last
Do you know why?
Kade uyisho singachoose ama game asibukele
Last time I
Yes, do
checked.
you know what's the problem? Amanye adlala same time.
and amanye suka semsebenzini sicoleleni
Yeah, so you can't.
Last time I checked bathe bazo-implementa nge-Nedbank i-VAR so angazi
imabali VAR is deal bra
asazi ukuthi kuyenzakalani but then iyafuneka yona yabo.
Yeah, but there's
Advanced technology
Bakhuluma
when it comes to
17
officiating.
makungise
Yafuneka.
locating my games back then bekaloku athi they trying to link up or whatever hook up
ngizwe no-Richie. U-Richie
I think iyafuneka yona yabo.
ikhulumile, yeah.
Izoba grand nje la ku-PSL.
ndaba manje abona i-VAR masengiyibona la eSouth Africa bafethu ne-AI ifikile la South Africa ifikele ifike endaweni e-wrong
Another one.
ifike endaweni e-wrong
Another question.
Ngibona aba top scorer
This season.
Dion.
PSL.
Dion.
Hey, are you Leon?
Dion.
Hayi le player
Golden
Sundowns le. Yeah.
Currently is topping.
Yeah, uDion nami
Dion.
ngibona, yeah.
If you could change one thing in the PSL, what would it be?
One thing. PSL.
Ashintsha.
Play?
Better officiating man. Into counter ama-game. Yini le man counter ama-game blind. Like ishintsha the whole complex game. Because of now, Rev decided into nyana so then the whole game session. So I think mabanga improve ada yo.
Me, I
Singaba
would
mnandi.
I would actually introduce players union.
Ikho.
Ite.
Ikhona.
Thulanhlatshwa ke president that.
President
Oh,
yakho
wow.
mhlatshwa.
Shuthi mina
Bathi babakwamulela some money.
Some money
every
nyana.
month.
Oh,
By
lento le I would introduce lento le ukuthi imara this one is complex. Okay, anyway. Ukuthi abo coach mabafika ema-teamini. Players that are performing they always start. That's
yeah, you get the team.
Okay, bengizosho something
yeah,
similar like
PSL
this.
is introducing it to the teams.
Bengizosho something similar like this. Mana mina bengizothi besoshintsha ama-contract amanye ama-player. Allegedly, but kunama-contract athi 70% this player is to play. That is wawubona nama-player asibulalayo alibela adlala because of i-contract ithi mele adlala. Ngatshintsha lento leyo because manje
But
ngatshintsha
question.
no-Ward
I have a
ku-Pirates
question
thola omunye
though.
ucoach. Hey.
I-players union like kwenzakalani ngayo?
Hayi.
Kwenzakalani i-players union?
Eh,
Looking
but-
out for you if you, like you've been mistreated.
Yeah.
Things like that.
But now
like that,
what
so-
happens?
Contract
things,
disputes. Tonyana tseo like wena udlala ku Pirates. Chiefs ke le se you signile pre-contract.
Yeah, khumbula lento kaMthembu.
Aseke like into ke tse ba
Yeah,
dilang ka
ke
tsona.
when se ke tshore nane ke re players union maybe a ka bitsa le grade. Ne se ke buela hore go be le boma sort of like therapy for the players to
Oh.
understand go etsalang ka.
Oh. But
Mo
then
di teaming.
ke a o thola
Like PSL into batho maybe like individuals yona into batho ebe bone batho
for the
ba
team
patalang.
kaofela.
Just like creating jobs for other people.
Ke a o thola.
Kube nto ukuthi kune I wouldn't say social work but therapist ku
Yeah.
private case chiefs nan.
Ke a o thola. But then that thing mostly e tuna ke di team.
Ama-team.
Di team they
Yeah, I
get
understand.
it.
Yeah, I told her that but
So
wabona no
mara
share.
o bua financially
Yeah, I told her
into.
that. So let's say yet what the teams go for. There's like out of 100%, only 20% Q&A and 80%
Introduction,
counter structure.
financial
so
power.
if Nakili, let's say if Nakili, Mr. Ivan Court, like here PSL,
The two.
yeah. So it's sort of like compulsory or into everything. La totally excuse our player A, yeah, fanka ling. Ratebo will hold accountable because Ratebo into a thing. We've already provided it. Our excuse or a player A na injured or in excuse nyana tse peace. You understand?
But then I think izoba ama-therapist ema-teaming I think alright millions we-PSL not ama-team cause izoba unfair kuma-play if ngistrithwa i-team ngizokhuluma kanjani ne-therapist ye-team.
Yeah, that's why ngisho ngithi leading le iya njengompula asho 20% sure yenziwa ama-team athize and then the other amanye ama-team akayikhulu
Yeah.
financial power, so like certain teams dinalitsona identity.
Yeah, so my
Right,
point
so-
is I don't think ama-team mele kube nama-therapist. Do you understand? I think ngivumelana nalento isho i-PSL
Kumele implement leading le.
kube nama-therapist ku-PSL so that if
for
iplayer
ama-team
bali-mistreat ngakhona kuye ukuthi ngisho ukuthi hayi i-Kaizer Chiefs they're not treating me well, they're doing this so that i-PSL izo-intervene ukuthi hey you guys you are busy busting petrol
Yeah.
pumps of other
ama-team
players'
ayikanda
cars.
ngey'nyawo.
Oh,
Bad publicity, you understand? So yeah, that being said, Buffett,
ba protect
cela
brand.
nisitsheleni nokuthi nizwa kanjani indaba le.
Yeah.
Which team would you
It's a
coach
bomb.
given a chance? PSL?
Which team would
I
you
would coach Pirates and remove Wadu right now.
This is personal, eh?
It is. I-team yami lenye incane la uthi le wenza into enginga-understand.
Mina nginawo ama-attributes okucoach, so I don't be any coach.
If you would be a coach, yiphi team siyasho nje ukuthi nama nginawo angifuni kube yicoach.
What if you now?
I'm gonna
What
answer
if you
this
now?
as a player.
Angengilungi.
Ne, I'm gonna answer this as a player. As a player, let's say bangisayina no. Ke a tseba gore nkako Sundowns ka se thole game time. But ke a tseba kako bo sekhukhune le England tlo thola game time. So my answer to you is
Twana ayikho
I would
Chiefs.
actually go for team take bona like bo Cedric Stars tsona tseo. I would go there.
Casrick.
Yeah, Cedric
So which
Cedric.
player people should look out for?
Really?
Should look out for
For PSL?
They already know.
Really?
the best
They
one.
already know.
They must look out for this.
Jersey number 38.
They must look out for
They
this.
already
That's a
know.
celebration.
There's only one.
Let's see the
Aye.
There's only one.
That's a celebration.
Mele alungise something.
They already know.
Khona into mele alungise.
Man, yabona ngifundanga nokukhuluma ngayo.
Sibili khona into mele alungise. Hayi player imnandi bhasha everything. Hayi speed Gonzalez mnandi sine speed mara khona into mele alungise
Hayi
kancane.
usibilibile ayikho into kumele
Mele
elungise.
alungise something.
Kumele ucoach amdlalise la bekamdlalisa khona
Abese
sawini.
kahle nje.
Bekadlala i-right wing.
Abe comfortable.
Le ndaba yakhe ama-right back uDivier ukhona.
Ngithola.
Asiunderstand
So-
lento le bekayenza libe la busy.
Sibili uGray. Hayi Podela is a season player man.
No.
Veteran yabo.
No,
like,
Podela la
we need-
Sikhawathi.
we need new Gazelisha yabo. Fresh start. yabo.
Izolo ngabe usifakele u
There are Sesanis, there are
uSesani,
Siema. I don't know.
Machabatsana.
Siema yenzakaleni ngayo. Limele.
obvious akithi bayalimala.
After the game Sundowns ulimele Siema.
Bayalimala.
Anyway,
Hey.
speedy recover.
Yabona bafethu makhuluma ngePirates ayithola ichance ukukhuluma.
Okay.
Idalo ke abantu abayithuki. Ngithi.
And asikhulumanga ngechief.
Yeah, so what I was just about to say. Yeah, really, as a player to look out 2 or 4, it's a bit so not because of him, but because of what's happening behind closed doors. Sesivalele kanjalo, sicela uvale lapho. Kanjalo.
Ayo ba re lebehile Mfokeng football of the season 2025-2026.
Kahle.
That being said, celebration.
Yeah.
Ngani celebration. Man.
Any sound nyana? Chong 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 chong.